Affiliate marketers earn income through a variety of payment models that are established in collaboration with merchants or affiliate programs. These payment structures are designed to reward affiliates for their efforts in driving traffic, leads, or sales to the merchant's products or services. Here are the common methods by which affiliate marketers get paid. But first, click on the link in the description below to sign up for the Make More Money Academy's free Advanced Affiliate Business System training and get access to their E-Stage Affiliate Money Hub building system. Learn how to build money hubs like NerdWallet, Expedia, Travelocity, and many others in 7 days or less. The most common way to get paid as an affiliate is the pay-per-sale or PPS model. In the pay-per-sale model, affiliates receive a commission for each sale generated through their unique affiliate link. The commission is usually a percentage of the sale amount and is predetermined by the merchant. These commissions range from as little as 4% to as much as 100% depending on the merchant's goals. This method is widely used in affiliate marketing and provides affiliates with direct earnings for successful conversions. Another popular way of getting paid as an affiliate is the pay-per-click or PPC model. Pay-per-click involves affiliates earning a fee based on the number of clicks generated through their affiliate links, irrespective of whether the clicks lead to a sale or not. Advertisers pay affiliates a certain amount for every click, and this model is common in contexts where driving traffic to the merchant's site is a primary goal. Now let's explore the pay-per-lead or PPL model. In the pay-per-lead model, affiliates are compensated for generating qualified leads for the merchant. These leads may involve actions such as filling out a form, signing up for a trial, or providing contact information. The affiliate is paid a fixed amount or a commission for each successful lead. The most desired way to be paid as an affiliate is through the revenue share or residual income model. Some affiliate programs offer a recurring commission structure, where affiliates receive a percentage of the recurring revenue generated by customers they refer. This is common in subscription-based services or products with ongoing payments. The two-tier programs allow affiliates to earn commissions not only on their direct sales or leads but also on the activities of other affiliates they refer to the program. Affiliates receive a percentage of the earnings generated by affiliates they've recruited. Performance bonuses are always a plus in the affiliate marketing industry. Some affiliate programs provide performance bonuses to affiliates who achieve specific milestones or exceed certain targets. These bonuses can be in the form of cash rewards, increased commission rates, or other incentives. Hybrid models. Some affiliate programs use a combination of payment models, incorporating elements of PPS, PPC, or PPL. This hybrid approach allows merchants to tailor their affiliate compensation structures to align with their business goals. Affiliate marketers typically have access to an affiliate dashboard or platform where they can track their performance, monitor clicks and conversions, and view earnings. Payments are usually made on a predetermined schedule, such as monthly or quarterly, and can be processed through various methods, including bank transfers, checks, or electronic payment systems. It's crucial for affiliate marketers to thoroughly review the terms of the affiliate program they join, including the payment structure, commission rates, and payment schedule, to ensure alignment with their expectations and goals. Remember to click on the link in the description to see the Make More Money Academy's affiliate business system at work. The only affiliate business system that allows even a 10-year-old to build a highly profitable affiliate money hub in 7 days or less. Why market just one product when you can have unlimited products in your chosen niche? Thanks for watching.